Hey guys, Mike, IronTrap Garage, and we are going to work on my Cabriolet project today. I know.
Finally!
Shush. I know that's probably been the #1 requested video for the last like 3 months. We're finally working on it. So the Hershey rush is done and over with, and we're getting into winter where I have a little bit more free time to work on this. And we're gonna start working on the quarter panel patches. So the goal today is to get this quarter panel patch done, do the wheel wells, and then there's a little bit of metal that we cut off of the quarter panel when we section the B-pillar in. So hopefully by the end of the video, these 3 pieces will be done, and the side of the car will look a lot more complete, minus this little axe wound in the side. Yeah, hatchet wound. We'll fix that in another video, but let's get started. I'm gonna get all this cut out, get it mocked up for Matt, that way he can come through and just do his zap, and we'll be on our way. Bye-bye, quarter panel.
Here, I don't know, your new filler rod, it's so tight.
They just fuse it
right there, it's like a dream.
Wow, my panel fitment was that good, is that what you're saying?
I don't know about that. I was able to work around it. Come on.
Tell me it sucked.
No, I wouldn't tell you. it up pretty nice. Very surprised.
Yeah, before you tap that off. We'll want to fix this before we tap.
Yeah. Yeah, and I want to finish.
Wow. Yeah.
This will probably work. This one didn't weld too bad, so I don't need to knock much down. So have it overlap. Okay, yeah, I see where you're at. Ready?
Yep.
All right, now move it down just a little bit.
Got it.
Down just a little bit more.
Oh boy. A little bit of fire. We're all good. All right, so I borrowed Matt for a couple hours or so. He welded in the wheel well, quarter panel patch. Off camera, we're gonna work on the other side and get that finished up. I know this is a little long, but what we're gonna do is this body is gonna come off the frame at some point. We're gonna just trim it to match the subframe and then add some more spot welds to tighten all that up and clean it up. Eventually, Matt and I plan on actually bobbing the frame and cutting it and tucking it up under the body to eliminate the back of the frame rails, because we're not putting a gas tank in the back or running fenders. So that'll clean all of that up. The last little bit we need to do here, we need to patch in the little piece that goes into the door, the B-pillar opening. We have the old piece that we scavenged, but we have to clean it up and kind of make it all work. So there's a few little things we need to wrap up, but for the most part, all the rust repair on this side is done, minus the door. There's a lot of stuff that needs to be addressed on the doors. That's a whole nother few videos. So I'm gonna get to work on the other side. Hopefully we get that buttoned up, and then we'll tackle the doors next in the next video. So thanks guys for watching. Catch you later.